Hello, my name is Ralph J. Lonigan, and today I am pleased to introduce you to Flatlift's innovative solutions for electric TV lift ceiling mounts and ceiling TV lifts. Imagine being able to lower your 85-inch TV from the ceiling with just the push of a button to create a unique and immersive entertainment experience. This is exactly what our products enable. Flatlift offers a range of electric TV lift ceiling mounts specifically designed to fit TV sizes from 75 to 98 inches. These brackets are not only practical and elegant, but also a highlight in any living or business space. With the electric lowering function, you can adjust your TV to the perfect height and also rotate it electrically 360 degrees and store it safely and discreetly on the ceiling after use. Our website, flatlift.com, gives you an overview of our diverse products. We attach great importance to the use of high-quality materials and components to ensure the safety and reliability of our systems. All our systems are CE certified and comply with European standards for quality and safety. As a proud German company with over 18 years of experience in the development and production of TV lift ceiling mounts, our goal is to always offer the best solutions for our customers. Flatlift has realized more than 20,000 projects all over the world. We continually work to improve our products and meet the needs of our customers. Installing our TV lift ceiling mounts is simple and straightforward. We offer detailed assembly instructions and reliable customer support to ensure you get the most from our products. Flatlift's TV ceiling mounts allow you to securely and stylishly mount your 85 inches TV to the ceiling and lower it quickly and easily when needed. Our solutions are practical, secure, and user-friendly. Contact us today to learn more about our products and services. We are happy to answer your call or email within 24 hours. Flatlift made in Germany. First choice for premium projects all over the world. Yours, Ralph J. Lonigan. I am the Marketing Director of Flatlift TV Lift Systems Germany.